Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Apps Academy. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to save a video on Reddit application. To save a video on Reddit, open your Reddit application first on your smartphone and then make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging in, go ahead and find the post you'd like to save. You will see a three dot right above the post. Simply tap on that and in the expanded menu, click on Save. The post will be added to your saved list, which is accessible from your profile. Simply go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top right, and from the menu, tap on Saved, and you will then be able to find the post that you've just saved. And that's how you can easily save a post on Reddit application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.